Hello guys, let's continue our video modeling the handrail of a stair with modeling today the handrail. And the first step in put the handrail is to turn on all the layers, okay, and create a reference point to model their handrail. Take a look in our project. In our project, we have the dimensions of the handrail of 2,100. Okay, 300 with 300 plus 1,500. So we have 2,100. But we have a distance. A distance of 150 between the posts, the final posts of this handrail. In our project, we have here, let's go to tab tools and click on measure and click here and click here. Take a look because we have 2,500. So in this project we need to adapt to the end post a distance of 200. Okay, in the first step we are going to move our UCS. Click here and move UCS and put the UCS here in this point. Select object snap, temporary. Yes, okay. Let's start drawing a line from this point 0, 0, 0 until 200. Line again 0, 0, 0, 200, 0. Again, another line of reference. Don't worry because the next step we are going to delete these lines at 2,100, 0. Click enter. Okay, now we have the reference of our handrail. And now we are going to start to model the handrail. Go to extended modeling, select handrailing, select the beam, confirm with the right button, select object snaps, click in the starting point of the handrail and the end point of the handrail. Select a nosing point, no, and let's take a look what happened. Let's orbit here, orbit. Okay, we have the first horizontal handrail. Go to layers and change the color of the handrail. Change the color because this color is terrible. Okay, I think it's better. Now we are going to set all the characteristics of this handrail. Let's start with the number of posts or the posts. Change to I pipe standard IISC. Change the dimension, the diameter to 1.5 inches. Post layout. Handrail, let's change here again. Pipe standard Yes, 1.5 inches. It's okay. Pickets. Let's change the kick rail flat to this. All these characteristics I choose it taking a look in our project. Okay. Yes. Okay. Posts, top alignment, post layout. Take a look here. We have just 2 posts and max distance between posts 1,500 between posts. 3, 2. Okay, let's go to handrail. Select end of handrail. Select return here. Put 75 in the length. You are going to put 800. 800. End of handrail. Return 75 and 800. Okay, almost done here. Middle horizontal. Number 1, 2. Okay, distance 300. 300. Yes, 300. 300. And distance, length, extra length. Take a look here. Last post. Last post. Distance 400. Yes, 400. Total length. Total length. Let's take a look here if it's okay. It's okay. In this step, you are going to type all the characteristics. Take a look here in the handrail. Almost we have what we want. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look in our next video. Okay. I wait for you in the next video.